Let's start. Today we will see how to code a multi-timeframe Keltner channel in the Tradingview Pine script. This is the indicator function with the name multi-timeframe Keltner channel. These are the user inputs for the length, multiplier, ATR length, and the higher timeframe. First, we calculate the exponential moving average like this and call it the middle band. Then we calculate the higher timeframe middle band using the security function. The first argument of the security function is the stock name, the second argument is the higher timeframe. The third argument is the middle band with bracket 1 written in front of them. The bracket 1 means the previous bar's data. This is necessary to avoid the indicator repainting, as we had earlier seen in the video of the indicator repainting issue. The fourth arguments handle the gaps, and the fifth argument merges a higher timeframe data into current bars. A Keltner channel has 3 bands, upper, middle, and lower. Then we calculate the ATR, which will be used to calculate the upper and lower bands. Then we calculate the higher timeframe ATR using the security function as before. This is how we calculate the higher timeframe upper and lower bands. Finally, we plot the higher timeframe upper, middle, and lower bands. Let's add this indicator to the chart. This is the input panel. We have used the daily timeframe as the higher timeframe. This is the Keltner channel. The green line is the upper band, the white line is the middle band, and the red line is the lower band. Right now, we are on the 5 minutes chart, and meanwhile have plotted the daily Keltner channel. Let's change the timeframe to weekly. So now we are looking at the weekly Keltner channel on the 5 minutes chart. So that's it. That's how you can implement the multi-timeframe Keltner channel in the Tradingview Pine script. Thank you.